Make sure to stand till the end so you can see where all the clips are, because otherwise you can destroy that trim piece and you can cause damage to the dash as well. Hey guys, welcome back to our auto repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys 5 Series generation F10 F11. If you need to remove the dash center trim piece, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. If you do it the wrong way, you can damage the trim easily and you can break it guys. Also you can damage your dash, which could look really bad. Make sure to stand till the end, we'll explain how to do that step by step so we can safely remove it out of there. So how we're going to do that? Okay, we're going to come right here inside, and it should work on multiple years and models guys, all the way from 2010 currently until now. Okay, practically ours is 2013, but 2018 I think is when they changed the body style. And what we have here, okay, how we're going to remove that trim piece now here. You may guys get a prying tool, but what I usually do, I open the glove box. By opening the glove box, you can access that trim underneath. That trim, if you apply too much pressure, I want to show you what can easily happen. Like, it was removed in the past, and right here, check this thing out. It's a little bit, guys, okay, wrinkled. Okay, practically you can crack it. So you need to apply firm pressure for that center dash trim. And how you do that, you start on one end, okay? There is multiple clips, and a little bit at a time you go. You don't just pull from one side and try to yank it out guys, it doesn't work that way. Now we're going to go ahead, keep pulling a little bit, gently comes out. What do we have here specifically? Okay, let's explain now. Here we have the ignition switch that we're going to disconnect. Okay, let me focus, perfect, just like that, by pressing right here in the middle. Okay, and it comes out. Don't pull for the wires because you can easily guys break them. Here we have a couple more switches. One, okay, is for the vents, and the other switch that we have specifically here, I think this is for the central locking. So this one is a little bit trickier to remove, but it's doable. Then we just have one little bit of trim right here that they attach to. Okay, let me see if it's going to come out. Perfect, and that center trim came out, you can see, completely just like that. So let me show you now. I want to show you where all the clips are so you know what to expect guys. Okay, you have one clip here towards the very passenger side right there. So you have 1, 2 right here, 3, 4, 5. Then passing this, you come all the way to this side and you have 6, 7 right here. They go in these holes, you can see like that. It's very important to know so you can avoid damaging guys, okay, your trim piece and dash as well. So that's how you guys remove the center dash trim on BMW F10 F11. If you just need to replace it with another one, all you have to do, get the screws right here loose, okay, remove the vents, remove the switches, get your new one, okay, and you're practically ready to go. For any of you trying to find this information, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any more questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.